Overcoming the overuse. Refresh your English vocabulary. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into a topic that can dramatically improve your English writing skills. We're talking about overused words in the English language. These are words that we use frequently in our everyday conversations and writings, but they often lack specificity and can make our language seem dull or repetitive. By identifying and replacing these overused words with more precise and interesting alternatives, you can take your English communication to the next level. So, let's get started. One of the first steps in improving your language skills is to identify which words are being overused. Some commonly overused words in English include good, bad, very, nice, thing, say, see, and get. These words aren't inherently bad, but they're often used as default choices when more accurate or descriptive words could be used instead. Try to identify these words in your own writing and speaking, and then think about if there is a more descriptive or precise word you could use. Once you've identified overused words, the next step is to replace them with more accurate or descriptive words. Here's a simple example. Instead of saying, "I'm very happy," you could say, "I'm ecstatic." Instead of saying, "That's a nice thing," you could say, "That's a splendid artifact." Instead of saying, "I saw a bad movie," you could say, "I watched a disappointing film." The key is to be more specific and descriptive in your language use. There are some great tools to help you in this process. Using a thesaurus can be a great way to find alternative words. Additionally, reading a wide range of English materials can expose you to more diverse vocabulary. You can even practice this by rewriting sentences or paragraphs using new words. Remember, practice makes perfect. While replacing overused words is a fantastic strategy, it's also important to be aware of the context in which you're speaking or writing. Some words, while technically correct, might not be appropriate in certain situations. For example, using very formal or technical language in a casual conversation can come across as unnatural or pretentious. Similarly, using slang or informal language in a formal context may not be well received. The key is to understand the context and adjust your language use accordingly. That's all for today's lesson on overused words. Remember, it's not about completely eliminating these words from your vocabulary. Rather, it's about being more mindful of your language use and making a conscious effort to choose more precise and interesting words. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'm excited to see how your English skills continue to improve. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep learning. Until next time.